Hello dear friend bassists, I'm Thierry Barbé and I want to speak about the Vanhal Concerto. So I took here the Klaus-Strumpf edition. It's kind of original edition, of course. And this concerto, I think, was composed around 1788, something like that, around. And we found a copy in the Sperger scores in the Landbibliothek Schwerin. So Sperger was, of course, another composer and a famous bassist, and he was playing this Vanhal concerto. So let's begin in the beginning. The theme is very, very nice, and the direction is again from Do, C, and then we come back to Do, to C, sorry, with appoggiature and a good ornamentation around this main C note, of course. So it's very important that you play an expressive appoggiature. So there is also always coming the expressive appoggiature. This is very important. Okay? About this one, I don't like too much play too much heavy and legato. I think it's a little not Baroque music, of course, but classical music is very close to Baroque music, and let's play a little bit lighter, okay? And to use the dot because it's in the original, of course. Okay, this is very important. Also, each beat we have appoggiature. Okay. The two versions are not. No, the two versions in the original are at the same octave. So, and I think it's too much to go very, very high for the double bass. But the second times can be more piano and with spiccato style, of course.